Hello everyone, my name is Kajal. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be going to be about what is in my personal makeup bag. But this personal bag have many different products. The purpose of today's video is for getting you guys few ideas regarding which products to use or which products to keep in your bag. Also, I will review some of the products which I use since long. Many products from my bag I am using like since years and years now. So let's start the video. So this is my personal bag. I know this is too huge to call it a, makeup pouch or something. That is the reason I'm calling it a bag, because I have searched like n number of bags online, but the moment I saw this one, I was like, I want this, because I have so many makeup products that they get cluttered in a pouch or in a single bag. So that is the reason I just found this and ordered this immediately, because I knew that I need separate spaces for separate products. So this bag was too spacious for my makeup products, so I just liked it too much. This is from the brand Hamster London. I have purchased it from Nykaa. You can just go in the description box if you wish to buy this bag. I will just open and show you. So the bag has three pouches. This one is the most spacious one, the biggest one, and I just like the chrome texture of the bags too much. So there are three pouches in a single bag. This one is the largest one. The next one is this golden chrome one. This is also so cute. So in this bag I have kept my eye and base products, you can see. And in the other bag, which is a black one, this one, I have kept my lipsticks. A separate pouch, a separate small pouch for lipsticks, because I have too many lipsticks. Also, there is a blender in this lipstick pouch just for an addition. In this particular bag, I have my brushes, my palettes, and my wet wipes and compact and all. So let's start to review the products. The first product is this Colorbar primer. This is a very good primer. It glides so smoothly on the skin, and it is a reasonable primer available in the market. Colorbar products are too good. Initially, they were like a so-so, but nowadays they have just grown so professionally well. I can just suggest that you can go with Colorbar brand in their any products. Like, it's a good brand now. So next product, concealer. I don't use orange corrector for daily makeup or daily thing, because I don't want to put layers on my skin. So इससे काम चल जाता है concealer से. So this is my MAC concealer palette. This is a cream base. I have a liquid MAC base also. The next product is my foundation. This is MAC Studio Fix foundation, which I use on my skin. I just love this foundation. It is too good. You can also go for this. This is shade NC20 for me, for my skin tone. The next product is my liquid blush from Recode. Guys, Recode is also a very good brand. It is a brand for professional makeup artists, but this is so reasonable that even who don't do makeup professionally but they want to use personally, this products you can also go for. Like, it is a very good brand, Recode, you can say this. And the application of this blushes, you just have to apply 2 drops, and this is enough. Like, this blush is too good, at least for my skin tone. So I just love this blush. This is from Recode. I will just list all the products in the description box. These products के मैंने मतलब बहुत पहले खरीदे. So in that case, I will just put similar product link, so you guys can just go and click on the links and product purchase if you want. The next product is my compact. This is also from Colorbar. Might be this is my third or fourth compact now. This is so good. I just like it. So this looks like that from inside. I have used it too much. Next product is my eye base. This is from Tarte. This is a concealer actually, but I use it as an eye base. So I have ordered this actually online for my dark spots and dark circles, but then this shade is a little bit fairer than my skin tone, so I use it as a eye base, because eye base में ना fair color लगाएंगे तो color ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है आई शेडो के colors, तो इसीलिए एक shade fair लगाते हैं eye base में. So I use this as a eye base now. It is like a very good eye base for me now. This is Start Concealer in the shade 29N light medium. I'm using this eyeliner. This is a Lakme eyeliner. बहुत सस्ता सा लाइनर है और मेरे 4 साल हो गए मैं यही बॉटल यूज कर रही हूँ, अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ. दिस इज आई गेस सबसे चीपेस्ट प्रोडक्ट इन माई बैग. बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. यू डोंट नीड एनी अदर लाइनर. सूखता बहुत मतलब ड्राई होने में इसको टाइम लगता है, आई एग्री. सो यू कैन जस्ट गो फॉर दिस. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी Lakme Insta Liner. Too good. Next product is my Clinique का mascara. This is also very nice. Actually ये मुझे फ्री में मिला है because I have purchased too many skincare products from the brand Clinique, so they gave me this many free samples. Actually they gave, but this was the one of the free samples, and this mascara is too good. The next is this Colorbar Blackout 06 Kajal pencil. This is my 5th or 6th Kajal pencil, and I just can't imagine any other Kajal pencil for my eyes. I have even used M.A.C graphic liner Kajal, too expensive than this, but I really did not love or like that product. I just can't get my eyes off this Colorbar Blackout 06 Kajal pencil. Next product is my Recode. This is from Gorgeous Girl. This is also a very reasonable, affordable product. This palette has cream base as well as powder base with different shades of brown and black. So cream base से क्या होता है ना, थोड़ा सा texture consistency अच्छा आता है. अगर आपको बहुत ही minimum करना है तो you can go with the powdered one, and they have a brush with this. So I just love this Recode. This is from Gorgeous Girl. Actually this I have purchased from shop. Online मुझे link मिला तो definitely I will share. Next is my eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. Rose Gold palette, the iconic palette. So this I keep in my personal bag, but अगर मुझे professional clients पे use करना तो मैं carry, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. इसमें से जो brown shades है mostly वो मैं use करती हूँ, and shimmers भी use करती हूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है. It is near about 5,500 something. And इसका जो दूसरा palette है वो भी मैं use करती हूँ. This is Huda Beauty Sapphire palette. इसमें से मैं बस एक ही shade use करती हूँ, and that is this one. दिस कोई भी नॉर्मल बेस लाइट पिंक या लाइट ब्राउन, उस पर मैं बस ये सिल्वर वाला जो है वो टैप कर देती हूँ, एंड दैट इज डन फॉर मी. नेक्स्ट पैलेट फ्रॉम माई बैग इज दिस ब्लश पैलेट फ्रॉम इनसाइड. दिस इज टू रीजनेबल. ये सिर्फ 220 का पैलेट है. आई यूज दिस बिकॉज दिस इज ओके पैलेट, बट आई यूज दिस पैलेट बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मैं लिक्विड ब्लश लगाती हूँ. सो इंटेंसिटी मेरी ऑलरेडी हाई होती है ब्लश की, तो आई डोंट नीड अ हाई इंटेंसिटी वाला पाउडर ब्लश. नॉर्मल चल जाता है, तो इससे काम चल जाता है. तो ये इनसाइड का मैं यूज करती हूँ. Next thing in my bag is my favorite Gucci Flora perfume. I just love this perfume. It has a very good fragrance, and I just can't leave my home without this perfume. Next thing in my bag is this wax stick. This is actually a very good product. If the baby hair होता है ना हमारी, और जो बेबी हेयर होते हैं हम लोग बाल बनाने के बाद जैसे से खड़े होते, तो उसके लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है वैक्स स्टिक. ये IKT का वैक्स स्टिक है. इस प्रोडक्ट आई थिंक इन ईच ऑफ अस मेकअप बैग्स. उसके बाद आते हैं मेरे ब्रशेस का मैं एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ अलॉन्ग विद द डेमो कि कौन से ब्रशेस आपके किट में रहने चाहिए. सो आई विल जस्ट मेक अ वीडियो अबाउट इट. एंड दिस इज माई Colorbar makeup remover wipes which I keep in my bag. The next product is my Recode highlighter stick. See, you can see this. So इसको ऐसे लिपस्टिक की तरह बस हमें पुश करना है ऊपर, and then you have to apply. You can see the glow. I have just applied it. For oily skin people this might be a no because ये थोड़ा सा greasy और oily लगता है जब हम लोग फेस पे लगाते हैं. इसका इफेक्ट वगैरह तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, तो I like this. थोड़ा convenient भी है. So next is my lip pencil. This is also from Colorbar. Lip liner you can call as. This is chocolate brown 014. एक ही लिप लाइनर गाइस काफी होता है हमारे पाउच में. यू डोंट नीड टू कीप पिंक पर्पल एंड ऑल दैट शेड्स. ये ना कॉन्ट्योर करता है हमारे लिप्स को ब्राउन. सो ब्राउन इज इनफ फॉर एनी लिपस्टिक शेड. जस्ट वन लिप लाइनर यू कैन कीप. आई हैव दिस कलर, दिस इज टू गुड. सो नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर लिपस्टिक्स। मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा लिपस्टिक्स है, बट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू 4 सच लिपस्टिक्स जो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ। एंड ये अगर मुझे कहीं जाना है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू माई आउटफिट ना, मेरा हाथ इन चारों लिपस्टिक्स में से ही किसी ज़्यादा जाता है। सो दिस फर्स्ट वन इज़ द हुडा ब्यूटी ट्रेंड सेटर, can see. So this lipstick is my like a fourth or fifth lipstick now, and I just can't imagine my like makeup without this lipstick. It's just too good shade. Like I had just applied today also. The shade name is Trendsetter. ये कुछ 1800 के आसपास आती है. The next is हुडा ब्यूटी ट्रॉफी वाइफ। ये थोड़ा सा डार्क है, तो अगर मेरा आउटफिट या फिर मेरा कुछ इवेंट ऐसा है जिसमें मुझे डार्क लिपस्टिक है, देन आई गो फॉर दिस। यूजुअली तो नॉर्मली तो मैं यही ट्रेंड सेटर। इफ मुझे कोई रेड शेड में लगाना है कुछ रेडिश टोन में, सो आई गो फॉर दिस मैक का रूबी वू। दिस इज मैक रूबी वू। You must have heard about Ruby Woo a lot. This is the OG lipstick, and it is a very bestseller one from the MAC lipsticks. बहुत अच्छा शेड है. Let me show you. See. So this is ये एकदम भी ज़्यादा गॉडी रेड भी नहीं है और थोड़ा पिंकिश रेडिश है, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So अगर मुझे न्यूड में और थोड़ा सा हायर न्यूड में जाना है, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मॉफ टोन में जाना है, तो आई यूज दिस पारुल गर्ग ब्यूटी पैशन 44 शेड लिपस्टिक. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ नाइस शेड. सो ये जो 4 लिपस्टिक्स है ना, ये इनमें से मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करती हूँ. दिस इज ऑल फॉर माई प्रोडक्ट्स टुडे, and I will try to list maximum of the products in the description box. Also, I will link the Hamster London bag in the description box. Honestly, this bag is on a higher side in price, but जिनके products बहुत ज़्यादा है and they just want to declutter the products and keep and to find them easily, I can just suggest to go with this bag. It is a very good looking bag as well and travel friendly नहीं बोल सकते, but then yes, you can manage. इतना भी कुछ ये नहीं है, but I think this is a very good option like for makeup enthusiasts like me. That's all for today's video. I just hope this video was helpful to you. So just go and subscribe my channel. Also like and comment below, and that's it for the day. Thank you so much.